Let's talk about the cost of equipment downtime. A lot of people right now believe when a device goes down, the cost of the repair is the cost of the downtime. How much did I spend to put this thing back up into operational capacity? That is not the cost of your downtime. The real cost is the missed patient hour or day or days in that seat or in that operatory that would have generated revenue. Missed revenue is a cost. It's the rescheduling of patients that can no longer get seen for you by you that day. That's cost because some of those patients might not come back, especially if they're a first time patient. The cost is the burnout your staff is experiencing working around issues inside the office, trying to navigate, oh, if I can't use this, maybe I can work around it this way. It's burnout, and that creates turnover with additional cost. Do you know it's estimated that 68% of the actual cost of downtime is considered hidden? It is not seen in an invoice, but it's seen in all these other areas that I just mentioned. So next time when the device goes down, start tracking some of these additional costs, and you'll be maybe surprised about how much time and energy and money goes into a down device. And maybe that might incentivize you to take better care of the equipment or put different kinds of measures and safety protocols in place to reduce those events from occurring.